Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best diaper bag on the market, the BabbleRoo Diaper Bag Backpack. If you're a parent on the move, whether it's for a weekend getaway, daily errands, or long-haul travel, this might just be your next essential companion. First off, what makes the BabbleRoo Diaper Bag stand out from the rest? The answer is simple: functionality meets thoughtful design. This isn't just a bag, it's an all-in-one mobile parenting station. Right out of the box, you're getting a spacious backpack, a wipe-clean foldable changing mat, stroller straps, and a detachable pacifier holder. That's an entire baby care setup, built into one smart-looking backpack. The bag itself measures 12 by 8 by 16.5 inches and holds a generous 26 liters. It's designed to fit everything you need for your baby, and yes, your own items too. We're talking about 2 main compartments, 5 insulated pockets that fit most standard baby bottles, a dedicated wipes pocket, and even a tech sleeve that fits tablets or laptops up to 15.6 inches. The zippers glide with ease, and most pockets are placed with one-hand accessibility in mind, which is a game changer when you're juggling a baby in one arm and trying to grab a bottle or diaper with the other. Durability is another major highlight. The BabbleRoo backpack is crafted from water-resistant, tear-resistant polyester. This means you're covered if you get caught in the rain or experience the occasional juice spill. It's built to take a beating while keeping everything inside protected. The zippers are sturdy, and the lining holds up against regular wear and tear. Comfort isn't sacrificed for capacity either. The shoulder straps are reinforced and cushioned, and the padded back panel ensures the weight is distributed evenly. Whether you wear it for 5 minutes or 5 hours, this bag was designed with your back and shoulders in mind. As for convenience, BabbleRoo really thought this through. The top handle is strong and easy to grab, making it just as useful as a tote. Plus, it comes with stroller clips, which let you hang the bag right off your stroller. That's a huge plus when your arms are full or you need to access the contents without taking the whole bag off your back. And for those wondering about after-purchase support, the brand stands by their product. Every bag comes with 24/7 email customer service and a 180-day warranty. That level of confidence in a product really sets it apart. So who is this bag for? New parents, obviously, but also seasoned moms and dads looking for an upgrade. It's unisex, sleek in black, and doesn't scream diaper bag, which is great if you want something functional without the loud patterns. To wrap it up, the BabbleRoo Diaper Bag Backpack isn't just another baby bag, it's a reliable, stylish, and well-engineered solution to everyday parenting challenges. With its unbeatable blend of storage, comfort, and smart design, it's no surprise it holds the title of the best diaper bag out there. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss a breakdown of the best products out there. See you in the next one.